Our whole family goes crazy for this roasted eggplant. Here are our best tips so that it is tender on the inside and perfectly caramelized on the outside. I want to show you one of our favorite spice blends for eggplant. Use whole or ground spices. I'm using whole, so I need to add them to a small grinder. Combine a half teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon fennel, 1 teaspoon cumin, 1 teaspoon coriander, 1 clove, and a half teaspoon of cinnamon. The blend is toasty, savory, and earthy, and works beautifully with roasted eggplant. That said, you can always use your favorite blend as a substitute. Okay, now for the eggplant. We want to slice it nice and thick. Keeping the eggplant large helps get those caramelized edges and tender middles. Add the eggplant to a large bowl and then add 1.5 to 2 tablespoons of oil. I know it seems like a lot, but eggplant roasts much better with a generous amount of oil. In addition to the oil, add a half teaspoon of fine sea salt, as well as that spice mixture we made earlier. Toss everything really well, and then tumble the eggplant pieces onto a baking sheet. Spread the eggplant out so that they are in one layer, and then roast for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, give the eggplant a stir, and then slide it back into the oven to finish roasting. It will need another 10 to 15 minutes. Now that the eggplant is roasted, I like to toss it with some fresh herbs. Mint is my favorite. And that's it. Perfectly roasted eggplant with a warm, earthy spice blend. We just love it. As always, the full recipe is on Inspired Taste. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If you love this video, we have lots more. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and say hi on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. We're at Inspired Taste.